Good morning. What you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Little ones. What you doing? You just sitting there? They say another day. This is another day that the Lord has made. Look at them. They just sit on the little feeders. I mean, they give us a show every hour of the day. 6 feeders. I fill them up several times a day with sugar water. That's not including the ones I have over here. Hi, Mama. Hi, good morning. Good morning. That's not including those. I have 4 over there. Yeah, Mama. Good morning. Good morning, Oliver. Olivia, good morning. Hi, good morning to you. Good morning. It's a wrap. Stories from my kitchen window. Oh my gosh, it is 60 degrees and it is just, I can feel the breeze. It feels so, it feels like the ocean breeze. Well, we are near the ocean. Okay, we'll leave it there. Almost 5 minutes of hummingbirds buzzing.